what about working inside the bag? So let's back up. What I might do, what I would normally do inside the dark room or inside of that bag is I would have the spool ready to go. I would feed it in like this. I would have it locked in place and all ready to go inside the bag. And this one here would also be inside the bag, except for that I can have this connected. And so here's what we've got. We're going to have all of this material. We don't need that. We don't need the retriever. But we do need a pair of scissors. We're going to need a pair of scissors in there. And so what we're going to have is an open bag with all of this stuff in it. Okay, and again, we're not going to expose this to the light. We're just going to have it started on there. And then we're going to put that inside. We're going to add all the components, everything we need to get this done. And how we need to work, as I just showed you, but it's got to be done in the dark. So we're going to zip this all the way up. Then we're going to fold it over. We're going to set the Velcro in place. And then what I'm going to do is reach inside with my hands, and we're going to work inside of here. So the only way that we can make this work, again, is if we keep absolute light seal. And so what I'm doing right now is reaching in with my hands, and I'm going to do what I just demonstrated, but it's going to be in this light sealed environment. So this is going to just take a couple of minutes. I'm going to feed the film out. And this, I've also got a pair of scissors in here, so when you're working, obviously you're going to have to be very careful. Okay, it's going to go fairly quickly. As I showed you before, I'm going to be using the scissors, placing them one finger width away. I'm going to wind it fully onto the spool. And then I'm going to place it inside of the canister, adding the second spool, and then the light seal. Once it's light sealed, I'll pull my hands out of the bag, and it is going to be safe to open up the bag like this. And we unzip it, and again, we don't have to worry about light at this point. So we can pull this out, and everything is done. And all I have left is a spool with a tiny bit of exposed film on it, some tape. If you can remember to remove the tape, that would be handy. We've got scissors, and everything else should be inside of the canister. Okay, hopefully that helps. I think that there was one step that I did miss. And that step is what happens if you're feeding the film and things get stuck. Let me demonstrate, because that happens frequently. So let's say I'm in the dark room, or I'm in the dark space inside the portable dark room here. I've got the leader in like this. I start to wind and it gets stuck. Often that happens, and let me just show you what you need to do. I'm just going to start that again. Often what happens is you'll need to just start it like this, and it may get stuck at this point, and you simply pull it through. Just give it a little bit of a tug, gently, keeping it in line with the notches on the spool. Then you'll wind it, you'll get it fully in there, you'll get to the end, you'll need to use the scissors to cut it, you'll wind it the rest of the way, place it inside the tank, add the second spool, light seal it, then you can turn the lights on and we're ready for processing.